Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Econ Bonkers. And on this day in 2007, the EPCOT letters and Mickey Mouse arm, glove, wand, and stars that had decorated Spaceship Earth were removed. The installation was added for Walt Disney World's Millennium celebration in 2000. It weighed 50 tons and included a 36-foot tall sign. Originally, the display above Spaceship Earth read 2000, but it was changed to EPCOT in 2001. The removal began just in time for EPCOT's 25th anniversary in October of 2007. Do you remember these letters? I do. I'm not sure what I thought of them though. How about you? Anyway, have a magical day.